Hi guys, my friend got an Xbox Elite. Recently we had an accident with it, something happened, and he's recently been having the red ring of death. So we'll see if we can fix it with the towel trick. So to prove, if it fixes itself, I swear to God. It's not doing anything.
It's not even showing the rings. That's really weird.
Yes, that is.
It's not showing rings. It's not even showing greens. Now that's freaky.
It'll pop up now, making noise.
I swear to God if it fixes itself.
I was looking forward to the towel trick.
I'm gonna